Still struggling with a small kitchen sink that makes washing dishes messy and time-consuming? Traditional sinks often lack space, create splashes everywhere, and make kitchen work frustrating. And when you need to wash fruits, vegetables, dishes, and cups, it quickly becomes a cluttered mess. But what if one smart sink could do it all? Introducing the 304 stainless steel Waterfall kitchen sink with digital display. This premium sink features a spacious single-bowl design, giving you plenty of room for all your kitchen tasks. The built-in Waterfall faucet provides a smooth and powerful water flow for easier cleaning. Need to rinse cups instantly? The integrated cup washer gets the job done in seconds. The intelligent digital display lets you monitor water temperature without batteries, powered by water flow itself. Plus, the soap dispenser and multifunctional accessories make your kitchen more organized and efficient. No more cramped washing space. No more kitchen clutter. Just a smarter, cleaner, and more modern kitchen experience. Ready to upgrade your kitchen? Click the link below in the description and discover this amazing sink today.